everyone. I am Vaishali. Welcome to our channel Engineers Class 202. Today I am going to start a new chapter, Measures of Dispersion. So let's take a look on the definition of range. What is meant by range? For ungrouped data, range means the difference between the highest and lowest values in the set of data. Let L is equal to large value of the observation in the given set of data and S is equal to smallest value of the observation in the same set of data, then range is equal to largest value minus smallest value. Therefore, range is equal to L minus S. Next, range for grouped distribution. Therefore, definition of range for grouped or continuous frequency distribution is the range is the difference between the upper limit of highest class and the lower limit of the lowest class. Therefore, range is equal to upper limit of the highest class minus lower limit of the lowest class. Next definition, coefficient of range. Coefficient of range is equal to range divided by sum of the highest and the lowest values. Therefore, coefficient of range is equal to L minus S upon L plus S. Let's move on to our first example. First example is find the range of the following data. Data is given here. Here we can see that largest value is 20 and smallest value is 2. Here L means largest value. Largest value of given data is equal to 20. And S means smallest value. Smallest value is 2. Smallest value is equal to 2. Therefore, range of the equation range is equal to L minus S. Here L is equal to 20 and S is equal to 2. Therefore, range is equal to 18. This is our final answer. Let's move on to our next example. Find the coefficient of range of given data. Here L is equal to, L means largest value is 52 and S is equal to, S means smallest value which is 28. Now L plus S is equal to 52 plus 28 which is equal to 80. Therefore, L plus S is equal to 80 and L minus S, that is range. Now range is equal to L minus S. Therefore, range is equal to, L means 52 minus S 28 which is equal to 24. Next, coefficient of range. Therefore, coefficient of range is equal to range upon L plus S. Range is 24 and L plus S is equal to 80. Therefore, coefficient of range is equal to 0.3. This is our final answer. Let's move to our next example. Next example is find the range and coefficient of range of the following distribution. Here given values of xi are 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 and corresponding fi values are given. Here in this case L means largest values of xi. Largest value of xi is equal to largest value of xi is 50 and s means smallest value. Smallest value of xi is 10. Smallest value of xi which is 10. Now first range of given data. Therefore range is equal to L minus S. L minus S which is equal to 50 minus 10 means 40. Therefore range is equal to 40. Next, coefficient of range. Therefore coefficient of range. What is formula of coefficient of range? Range divided by R plus L plus S. Therefore coefficient of range is equal to range divided by L plus S which is equal to range 40 divided by L plus S means 50 plus 10 plus 10 which is equal to 40 divided by 60 which is equal to 0.67. This is our final answer. Let's move on to our next problem. Next problem is find the range and coefficient of the range of the following data. Here data is given, age in years and frequency is given. But in this case the distribution is not continuous. Here 19 to 20, 29 to 30 is absent. In this case the distribution is not continuous. So we shall find class boundaries as below. So here we can see that 19 and 20, 29 and 30, this is not continuous distribution. So we have to subtract 0.5 from left side numbers and add 0.5 to the right side's number. So here 10 minus 0.5 we get 9.5 to 19 plus 0.5 means 19.5. Here 19.5 to 29.5. 29.5 to 39.5. 39.5 to 49.5. 49.5 to 59.5. 59.5 to 69.5 and 69.5 to 79.5. Now L is equal to upper limit of the highest class. Upper limit of the highest class. That is last class. L. Upper limit of the highest class means last class. Here last class is 79.5. Therefore L is equal to 79.5. Similarly, S is equal to lower limit of the lowest class. Lower limit of the lowest class. That is first class. Lower limit of the lowest class means first class. Here first class is 9.5. Therefore S is equal to 9.5. Next we have to find range. Then range is equal to L minus S. Which is equal to 79.5 minus 9.5, which is equal to 70. Therefore range is equal to 70. And second, now coefficient of range is equal to range divided by L plus S, which is equal to 70 divided by L plus S, means 79.5 plus 9.5, which is equal to 70 divided by 89, which is equal to 0.79. Therefore coefficient of range is equal to 0.79. Okay, I think it's time to wrap up. If you like this video, please share to others so that other people can find this video. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.